Hi, this is a tutorial on getting started and working on a WordPress blog. The first thing you want to do is to sign in. And this will bring you to this page. You want to select the blog that you want to work in. I have several, and so the blog I'm working in today is Polygraphy. If I click here, it'll take me to the front public view of the blog, but I'm going to be working on the back end, so I'm going to choose Dashboard. Briefly going through putting up a post in WordPress will allow me to show you some of the features of WordPress. To start a new post, you want to click here on Post on the left-hand side and click Add New. Some of the things you want to be aware of in this view are the title. This is the toolbars that you'll be using to format your material. Here's where you will have information on publishing your material. These are the categories for the blog. Here are tags, and some WordPress themes allow you to set a featured image. This in general is called the text editor, and if you've done anything online, you may be familiar with this. So the first thing I want to do is create a title for my post. The next thing I want to do is add some text to my post. I have some dummy text here. I would recommend that you write your text in a Word document and just copy and paste it over. Here I want to point out some of the formatting features of the blog. First of all, if you want to bold, italicize, or underline text, you can use these buttons. If you want to align your text to the left, center, or right, you can use these buttons. To change the color of your text, you can click on this drop-down menu. And if you want to format a heading, you can click on this drop-down menu. One of the things that you might want to do is to add a hyperlink. In order to do that, you select the text that you wish to hyperlink, click on this icon, and copy and paste your URL, and click Add Link. One of the things that digital writing allows you to do is to use visual material. So WordPress also allows you to insert a picture, and we're going to do that right now. So you want to place your cursor where you want your image to appear, and you click Add Media. If you have already uploaded your image to the media file, you can just choose it here, or you can upload it directly from your computer. And I'm going to demonstrate how to do that now. You would click Select Files, and you would choose your image. If you're writing on a multi-user blog, you want to make sure that you can find your images, and so I would change the title to my name and something that describes the image. In the description text, you can either put the URL. I like to put the entire citation, just so when it comes time to do my works cited, I already have that information. These settings allow you to change the alignment as well as the size of the image. Like my image is a little large, so I'm going to choose full size, and then you click Insert into the post. And there's your image. If you forget to do any of those things, you can edit your image by clicking on the image and then clicking on this icon, which allows you to insert a title, a caption, or change the dimensions of the image. I want to insert a caption. And as you can see, my image has been updated. WordPress also allows you to insert YouTube video into your post. So once again, you want to place the cursor where you want the video to appear and click Add Media. We're looking for YouTube video, so we're going to click Insert YouTube, and you can search YouTube by text you can search YouTube by terms, or you can search it by user. So I already know that I want some young warrior clan video. I want the trailer, so I'm going to click on the video that I want and click insert. If you want to make sure that the video has been inserted and it's actually viewable, you can also click preview to see. So here you see my big beautiful picture, and we also see the video embedded in the post. So the last thing that you want to do is to insert a Creative Commons license. In order to do this, you need to click over to the text view and scroll down to the bottom of your post. You want to go over to the Creative Commons license website and choose the license that you want. I usually choose one that allows people to adapt, but one that does not allow commercial use of my work. You can fill in these fields if you want to help people attribute your work, but you just copy and paste the license code into the text view of the post. You can click back over to visual to make sure that you have the icon as well as the Creative Commons license information. Just a final few things: you can always spell check your work by clicking the proofread button. You should insert tags so that people will be able to find your work when they're searching on search engines. Some themes allow you to set a featured image, which is a smaller image, thumbnail image that occurs on the front page of the blog. When you're satisfied with all of the things in your post, you can choose publish, but before that, you want to always make sure that you click on the category next to your name so that I can find it in order to grade it. So when you publish, you can see your work. You can always go back at any time to make any edits that you need to, but here is a finished blog post. This video is always available, and there's also a worksheet that goes along with this to give you more detailed information about various aspects of creating a blog post.